Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I made to fulfill the request of one of my YouTube channel viewers. I'm so sorry if I have made you wait for a long time. So, I re-edit this video to using captions and narration that will make it easier for you to follow the steps to make this dog scarf, especially for crocheters who are really just starting to crochet. Hopefully this can help and enjoy watching. Make a slipknot and chaining until it reaches a length of 45 centimeters. Row 1 makes a half double crochet stitch on the third chain of the hook. Make a half double crochet on the next chain and so on until the last chain. Chain 2 and turn your work. Starting from row 2 onwards, we only work on the back loop of the stitches like so. Row 2, make a half double crochet stitch on the back loop only in the first stitch and the following stitches, except for the last stitch, put a regular double crochet stitch on it. Chain 2 and turn your work. Row 3, make one half double crochet back loop only on the following 2 stitches. Chain 3 and skip 3 stitches. Make a half double crochet back loop only on the next stitch and so on until it reaches the last stitch. Chain 2 and turn your work. Row 4, makes a half double crochet back loop only on the first stitch and so on until you reach the part where 3 stitches are skipped. Place a regular half double crochet on each chain or inside the hole, then continue until the last stitch. Chain 2 and turn your work. For rows 5 and 6, repeat the pattern on row 2. After reaching the last stitch, make 1 chain, cut the yarn and weave the tail ends with a tapestry needle. Fold the scarf as shown with the right side on the outside. Next, attach the button by sewing it on the side of the end of the other scarf. To make the scarf look more beautiful, you can add fringes to it as shown. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next videos.